Hey guys, it's me Kate. We're back to my channel, and this is what I'm doing a little skit called Am I Addicted to Slime? So let's get started. This slime is just the best. It's not sticky whatsoever, so poppy. It's just the best. Get to what he's doing. Just playing with slime the 11th time today. I'm sorry, I told you I'm addicted to slime. Jeez, Mom. I guess. Well, at least I'm not addicted to squishies. Yeah, Mom. I've moved on from squishies and on slime. Don't get me wrong, I still love squishies, but slime is like my go-to. No. Did I touch the slime? It's amazing. People, they judge me because I'm addicted to slime. And I get jealous sometimes. It's like, I don't know what to do anymore. It's horrible. I don't like it. It's very bad. I don't like it. Gated got a doctor. What? What for? I already went to my doctor's checkup. I'm in fear slime. Oh, Mom. You are crazy. There's absolutely no way that I'm going to the doctor's for slime. Just insane. You being your favorite slime and squishy. I'm in, but nothing is gonna help me. Let's go squishy. Have my Hello Kitty donut. That's licensed. Oh my gosh. My Hello Kitty donut that's licensed. And I have my rose. Fluffy slime. I mean, not fluffy slime, a rose. So, let's get started. The doctor said that I'm not allowed to play with slime. Shh. It's like putty. It's great. I my mom and I going shopping today. I have $200. I could get so many gallons of glue. Today's gonna be amazing. I can make the slime times bigger. Kitty.